Assalamualaikum guys, welcome back to another video on YouTube, which is a rare occasion. I am with Big Bag.
Yes, me. I'm a boy.
I'm a
That
boy.
TikTok wala. Yes.
So we're gonna be reacting to a cinematic masterpiece as has been described by The Guardian, Midsummer
Yes.
Chaos. मेरे बहुत ज़्यादा दोस्त हैं इस series में. Mustafa is one of them.
Eh?
Yeah, I've done a podcast with Mustafa. Sarim is a friend. I've made videos with almost all of them. So
Okay.
Kissanagri presents.
Yep. Kissanagri is presenting.
हैप्पी बर्थडे बेटा मैनी हैप्पी रिटर्न्स ऑफ द डे आ जाओ केक काटो
करीबी लोग हैं तुम्हारे दोस्त तुम्हारी मॉम यहाँ पे मौजूद नहीं है बट आई एम हियर राइट बाय योर साइड
लोग किन लोग की बात करें आप आई एम ग्लैड कि यूर हेयर बाबा और मुझे इससे ज़्यादा क्या चाहिए
Don't lie.
आई
This is
विश
such
आई
a
कुड थ्रू
sad
इट
birthday party. You want?
बाबा मुझे इससे ज़्यादा और क्या चाहिए?
हाँ.
Civic.
झूठा.
Look at their faces right.
हाँ. Look at उसकी शक्ल पे पछतावा लिखा है कि ये बट
The dad is like, fuck, what a loser.
what? एक मिनट.
Candle cake पे नहीं है.
Such a sad birthday.
That's a ugly ass candle. Not gonna lie.
Yeah. Yeah.
कितनी मिलती है वो पतले वाली जो केक की? That would be way better. Than
I think the candle represents the relatives and the cake is his life and the relatives are not his life anymore.
It's not that.
You know?
Yeah, I think there's thought been put into this. Definitely.
Clearly, yep.
Yeah, and when he blows out the candle, he is understanding that he doesn't need like people to be in his life for him to be happy.
Exactly.
Hence he pulls
Exactly.
the cake closer because that's like him inviting sweetness into his
Yeah.
zindagi.
Yeah.
Yeah.
He's blowing his relatives. Yes.
Yeah.
True. Correct. Okay.
I run in circles like a madman. Just run me into the ground.
This guy's good looking. Yeah.
मैंने भी यही सोचा था shit ये बंदा इतना प्यारा
Yeah.
yeah it's just appreciating another man, you know.
We're appreciating.
समीर अलाना लोग किधर हैं यार तो मैंने इतनी कॉलें की शी इज़ नॉट पिकिंग अप और आई थॉट तुम्हारे साथ होगी
Yeah, don't start with the fucking girlfriend bullshit, man. Yeah, don't start with the fucking girlfriend bullshit, man. Deal with this on you.
Don't start with a fucking girlfriend. उस बेचारे ने कुछ कहा भी नहीं है. We just asked where they are. Don't start with your fucking girlfriend bullshit, man.
I would accept that from him. Look at him.
But like, okay, so he said, don't start with your fucking girlfriend bullshit, man. जो भी. But what if he just said, yeah, they're going on their own. Teen loves.
इसकी वो sass नहीं आती ना ये good looking ये इतना ये
हाँ,
सीधा सा
हम नहीं
Look at
समझे.
him. हाँ, exactly.
Attitude. Okay. Play.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
तुम्हें वो भी क्या बकवास सी है यार तूने कौन सा पढ़ना था सीधा पॉलिटिक्स में आना था but thanks for having this man seems like a dope party actually कैसी बातें कर रहा है यार तेरे बगैर पार्टी भी वैसे पॉसिबल कैसे हो सकती थी लेकिन बस स्टोरीज
This looks like a very dead party, not gonna lie.
Yeah, like, and I don't know, it's very bad acting as well. I'm sorry, but
Yeah, it is.
but
It
did
is.
you notice the crows की आवाज जो पीछे जबरदस्ती डाली हुई है? या तो उधर होंगे, लेकिन
हाँ।
मुझे बहुत आर्टिफिशियल लगा.
होंगे लाजमी होंगे
मैं गया नहीं ना कभी पार्टी पे ऐसी.
हाँ
नहीं, if this is shot in like Islamabad or Lahore, there's definitely going to be crows.
सही. Nah, it just sounded very loud.
Yeah. plus they're trying to get that elitist wala image so they would not intentionally put crows.
Definitely.
Eagles, yes.
But
ये
do you-
eagles हाँ
You notice the
Not-
people in the back just staring right into the camera.
हाँ exactly जैसे वो न्यूज़ रिपोर्टर नहीं रिपोर्ट कर रहा था जैसे लोग you know
मैंने तुम लोगों को भी किसी से मिलवाना है here I can steal you for a second
Samir, long time no see.
oh my god like you're dating him
Would you like to say something? I mean,
okay here's the thing I know they're like amateurs and this is like their passion project whatever but थोड़ी सी effort you know like
I mean, that's how I would react if I met him. I'd be like, Samir, you know, I'd be a bit out of God.
Look at his jawline.
You two know each other? Bro, we go way back. आज लगता है आज बहुत सारे reunions हो रहे हैं यहाँ पे. अच्छा तुम लोग जरा catch up करो. I have to entertain the guests. Yeah, sure man. Go for it.
आए हो ये हमजा ये भी मेरे podcast पे आया हो.
I have no idea about anyone, like all these famous people in Pakistan. Like recently, that thing that was happening between some singer and some actress. The Tarasti hai Nigahon wala singer, jiski nigahein tarasti hai. So I had no idea. And people, I'm like in these random groups, and people were just like, "Oh, did you hear about that? Did you hear about that? Who are these?" So I'm very.
That's me with like, that is me with 80% of news because I just don't check on this stuff. I know these people because I've just worked with them.
Yeah,
Time to pause. 4:20 पे pause किया हमने. Very beautiful.
Nice.
Nice.
Me यार, I haven't seen you since our breakup. क्या दिन थे वो? We were kids.
Tell me about it, man.
Itni excitement.
I look like she's tried really hard and she's done the tone change as well. I haven't seen you since, but it's just I don't know, something's off, you know.
Exactly.
Maybe it's just Samir's sheer presence that is messed up. her
Exactly. Like उसने अभी तक shades ही नहीं उतारा.
proportions. भाई उसका बटन बंद करा देते सारे मसले वालों.
Sure.
With the crew, remember wishing go blur, hopped up in the
Man was like gone.
ये बेचारा कल बर्थडे पे भी कोई नहीं था.
You can take your space, but is everything okay? तुम ठीक हो?
Just leave me alone, okay? Just please.
Leave me alone, leave me alone. My man Haris is getting screwed by everybody. That's his girlfriend.
बेचारा. Yeah, apparently, yeah.
Have you ever had a girlfriend?
Because
ਹੱਸਦੇ ਚਿਹਰਿਆਂ ਦਾ ਮਤਲਬ ਇਹ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਕਿ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਕਦੇ ਕੋਈ ਤਕਲੀਫ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੁੰਦੀ ਉਹਦਾ ਮਤਲਬ ਇਹ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਕਿ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਤਕਲੀਫਾਂ ਨਾਲ ਡੀਲ ਕਰਨਾ ਹੁੰਦਾ
हाँ क्या कह रहे थे?
हाँ क्या?
You're just like in your mind right now.
हाँ. नहीं यार. But yeah, I've seen that clip. Alina, love you.
I've seen that too. I've seen that too. I've seen that too. I just thought I didn't watch it because I didn't have time. But अब मैं देख रहा हूँ सही तरह and I can see what the memes were about. Bro, just look at. I just noticed the like to dislike ratio.
ऐसे कोविड फैलता है.
I'm sure इनके पास अलग अलग होंगी. एक और होगी दे दो ठीक है. नहीं वही मूव ऑन. ऐसे तो तब्दीली नहीं आने वाली ना.
Hey, you good?
No, he is Haris. Sorry,
No, I'm a boy.
No, I'm a
No problems. यार छोड़ो, it's a party. Do you want to go get a drink or a smoke?
तुम ठीक कह रहे हो शायद. By the way, I'm Haris.
I'm Mushna. You are.
सारे दुख दर्द अचानक चले.
very like I'm sure वो बंदी जो है ना she's gonna turn out to be like gay.
Who?
The Haris की बंदी vibes आ रही.
हाँ, I can see that. Like the way when they went to smoke, the way she was looking at और फिर हाँ.
Know that I'm not dating Salar. It's just too complicated.
यार honestly मुझे इन सब चीज़ों में नहीं पड़ना. You do you. I'm just happy to see you. How long has it been? Like 2 years?
Remember when we last went to Karachi, beach, summer? It was a great year.
Bro, I remember. It was a simpler time. I remember. It was very fun though. I had a lot of fun.
If I push you into the pool, तुम्हें अभी भी swimming नहीं आती होगी.
What if I do it first?
मुझे नहीं लगता तुम कर सकते हो.
Really?
Never liked that bitch anyway.
That was funny. I never liked that bitch anymore. Apart from bro, why the fuck would he do that?
Yeah, where did this whole swimming pool thing even come from? Like, it's so random.
Yeah, like एक तो
हाँ.
that girl could improve her acting a lot.
Yeah, like one moment you're like, you know, I just want to let you know कि I'm not actually dating. तुम्हें पता तुम मुझे स्विमिंग पूल में धक्का नहीं दोगे, नहीं दोगे.
That would be a writing problem ना, वो तो जिसने लिखा उसने तो बोलना ही है. बेचारी ऐसी धक्का दे दिया उसने उसको पार्टी के बीच.
What the fuck is wrong with you, Sameer? तेरा दिमाग तो नहीं.
What the fuck is wrong?
Even the सही emotion अंदर से निकाल रहा है.
हारिस खुश था फाइनली. यार बेचारा.
What man, is this a joke? That's my fucking
Why was that shot so long?
Because it's his fucking girlfriend, man.
fucking girlfriend. I've had enough of your bullshit, man. क्या मसला है? क्या करे यार तू कहाँ से आ गया? Fuck off यार. मेरे साथ घर चलो. तुमने बहुत पी ली है, dude.
जो देखो जो अंकल्स नहीं होते अंकल्स. What नहीं क्या?
मेरे साथ घर चलो तुमने बहुत पी ली है. Bro, he literally walked to the pool with her, and that's where he's been.
Yeah. Exactly.
Wait, he also goes, fuck off, तू कहाँ से आ गया? Fuck off यार. That is me. That is how people treat me. Oh god, pain.
Dude, look around you. The only reason they know you is because of me. The only reason you're here is because of me. The only reason you even exist is because of me. तू कौन होता है मुझे बताने वाला?
एक मिनट. Yeah, I have to.
He's just gone. It was too impactful for him. He had to leave. Fuck off, तूने बहुत पी ली है.
कहाँ से आ गया? Hello.
तू कहाँ से आ गया? Fuck off.
Okay, was this? Yeah. Sorry about that.
क्या हुआ क्या था?
No, they just called me downstairs to get something from the car.
Wow, they called you downstairs to get something from the car when they were already.
Yep.
अच्छा, I'm recording again.
Okay.
The beauty of Desi households.
समीर, मिल तू मुझे जरा. बड़े देखे तुझ जैसे अमीर बाप की.
That looked like a video game animation. जिस तरह एकदम से आता है.
It might be, who knows. The level of production that went into this.
यार बेचारा हारिस दो लाइन उसको ऐसी साले मतलब कोई रिस्पेक्ट नहीं है उसकी.
हाँ, ना उसकी बर्थडे पे कोई आता है, ना उसकी गर्लफ्रेंड प्रॉब्लम्स कोई सुन रहा है. बेचारा.
अमीर बाप की बिगड़ी हुई औलाद. एटलीस्ट बाप तो है मेरा.
Damn.
इतना ज़्यादा हो गया. Like holding him. The dude holding him is like, fucking hell, bro.
Fuck you.
The masla hai, you know, Sameer ka. He's a public figure, but does he have a father figure?
अच्छा हारिस पे उसने मार मूर के हारिस ने कुछ कहा भी नहीं और उस बेचारे की ले ली उसने कहा तेरा बाप नहीं है और उसको कहता fuck off और चला गया. कुछ भी नहीं किया. I don't like Sameer.
और ये जो conflict solve कर रहा था उसको
मारा, उसको कहा तू मेरी वजह से बना, इतनी चीजें बोल दी उसको, ठीक है. और जिसने उसको लिटरली धक्के दिए और कहा कि तेरा बाप नहीं है मेरा बाप तो है ना, उसको कुछ नहीं कहा, उसको बस कहा फक ऑफ और चला गया. कमाल. समीर ना पावर हंग्री, मतलब प्रेज ऑन द वीक. आई यूज्ड टू लाइक हिम बट फक यू समीर.
कैंसिल करो करीम, गाड़ी में बैठो, मैं छोड़ दूंगी.
Are you sure?
हाँ, it's not a problem. Don't be silly. बैठो.
It's not reaction.
Wear your seatbelt.
Oh, you know, in Pakistan, how people in like Ubers and Careem know कि आप पाकिस्तान से नहीं हो.
How?
मैं जब भी Uber या Careem में बैठ के सीट बेल्ट बांधता था ना, they always used to ask me, आप बाहर से आए हो?
Damn, I don't know that. मैं तो हमेशा मैं नहीं पहनता बल्कि हाँ भागना पड़ जाए यार अगर वो बंदा पागल हो तो. What the fuck? Did you see the अम्मी का मुंह? What mother? Wait, is it paused for you as well?
नहीं.
God damn हमारा वो unsent.
I think
But like the mom walked in with like eyes phatya and like she,
हाँ
उनको dream happening हुई है उनको.
उनको पता चल गया होगा ना समा.
Mother's instinct.
I'm sure उनको पता चल गया होगा. Yeah.
हाँ माँ के जैसे.
वो जैसे ओम शांति.
वो जब बाहर आ जाती है हेलीकॉप्टर लैंड होता है.
हाँ
आवाज तो आई नहीं होगी.
You know, इस तरह के जो बच्चे होते हैं usually इनका घर में ना थोड़ा सख्त माहौल होता है. They're disturbed at home, which is why when they're outside they like to impose like dominance over everyone.
हाँ, and like I feel like the lack of a father figure in Sameer's life may have caused him to have a sort of, you know, like a lot of responsibility on his shoulders.
Yeah,
I can only
like
imagine.
especially with shoulders like that.
ऐसे shoulders responsibility carry करके ही बनते हैं.
Not his fault. You know he's always been a good friend to you.
I know, I feel guilty, but seeing him just reminds me.
Of who?
जानती हूँ.
What the fuck is going on here?
हाँ, इतना बॉलीवुड वाला.
मैं
जानती हूँ.
अबे उसके अलावा कोई कॉन्टेक्स्ट नहीं, कोई कुछ नहीं. She just comes out like scared out of her fucking mind. मुझे वो वाली वाइब आई जब कोई हॉन्टेड घर में नहीं जाता और उधर एक बंदा रहता है. इधर नहीं आना था.
Yeah, but the way she's staring, like, I don't know if you've noticed, but she hasn't blinked.
Yeah, that's what I said. Her eyes have been like, photo fine.
Blink कर ली auntie.
Anything I can do for you?
Just leave me alone.
Blink like it. Oh my God, blink.
Yeah.
Bro, blink, please.
She did.
Please.
Oh, thank God.
In the clouds. It's 3 a.m. and I'm waiting for you to.
You know, ever since he got famous, up to I feel like I don't know Sameer. You know, I just don't.
Do people say that about you?
No, and people don't know me.
Oh, okay.
It doesn't. I don't think.
Wait, so your friends
like बहुत कम तो.
Your friends don't know?
Like only my close friends. But I don't think it affects me because it has no part in my actual like offline zindagi. Because I don't get approached by people about it. People don't recognize me. लेकिन तुम्हें तो कहते होंगे. You are.
I haven't changed.
But कहते तो होंगे दोस्त. Like definitely all every person I know उसको कहते हैं followers आ गए तो attitude आ गया है.
नहीं, literally. Because I have this one group of 5 close friends who are like who treat me like normal, like no act, nothing. So
that's good. That keeps you humble.
Yeah.
हम सब रोज बदल रहे होते हैं. हर रिश्ते को ज़वाल है. हमारे एक्सपीरियंसेस में.
भाई एकदम से.
ये आंटी मेटाफोर्स में क्यों बोल रही है?
वाकई पीछे लेकिन देखो स्कल भी बड़ा हुआ है.
हाँ ये किसी की रूह है लगता
है. वैसे मैंने I've seen the first episode, okay? I haven't seen 2 and 3. तो the first time I saw this, I got major vibes कि ये probably कोई imaginary दोस्त है Haris की, because Haris doesn't have friends. I don't know why, but I just felt it. I told all of my friends कि ये बंदी imaginary है, ठीक है?
She does give like रूह वाली vibes, because all white, पीछे skull पड़ा है, बाल पूरे खुले.
हारिस, वो उसका सफर है. उसकी मंजिल तुमसे मुख्तलिफ है.
तो इतने ये सीधी बात क्यों नहीं करी?
पता नहीं हारिस, उसका सफर.
बदलते मौसम के साथ सब कुछ ही बदल जाता है. Listen, you be the change you wish to see in the world, Haris.
ये इतने metaphors में क्यों?
Why is he like सीधी बात कर दो पता? It's like hey, what's the time?
वक्त.
Times are changing. We have to keep up with the times. You know, like
Harry Styles ने कहा था. हारिस मास्क सिर्फ सॉल्टफा नहीं पहनता. हम सब मुख्तलिफ मास्क पहनते हैं.
Write that down. इनको भेजो ये.
Break any time now, call me.
मैं डाल चली
जुए पड़ जाएंगे.
यही मेरे दिमाग में भी है। What the fuck, bro? Genuinely, I was like, जुए पड़ जानी है अब तो। Yeah, I think it's like the filming is like decent, but the acting and the writing could be better, you know. But it was a fun watch.
Have you watched Euphoria?
No, I have not. मैं बहुत कम देखता हूँ shows.
Okay. इसमें बहुत ज़्यादा वो वाली vibes आ रही हैं. Like, I'm pretty sure this was inspired by that.
Sorry, I haven't seen it, so I wouldn't say. Good, yeah.